Search for talking about your chat folder. My presentation. My name is Randy Barranco. I am a student at UNAT. I belong to the group 19,021 12. I am going to record this video in response to stage 4 of the English course do. Introduction. Today in Colombia, the unemployment rate has increased to 13%. With the same figure, it does it much hope the Colombians will think where the situation is getting tougher every time that we have to talking carry off what we have. Body. My work experience, I worked as a dog inspector in the port of Santa Marta. I learned everything related to port operation for unloading of ship, control of the vehicle fluid, the quantity unloaded in each warehouse. Today I am an operation coordinator. I am in charge of the logistics for the unloading of the clean bulk product should have corn, beans, soybeans, and soybeans calf. I went to work as a scientist anywhere in the world. Conclusion. To conclude, it is very important to have to have a job because it benefits the life of the human beings. You can provide for your family. You learn a lot and you get a lot of work experience. Thank you.